Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable auto-generated captions on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Instagram now has auto-generated captions, which means it can automatically transcribe any videos you watch on the app. But before you start seeing captions appear in the app, you'll probably have to enable the feature first. And the same goes if you want to post videos with captions. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now, you can tap on your profile, tap on the up right corner, the three lines over here, and then tap on Settings and Privacy. You can scroll down. There is an option Accessibility. Tap on that. Tap on Captions. There is a toggle Captions. The toggle is inactive. You have to activate the toggle by tapping on the toggle like this. Now, the language is English auto-generated. Now, the auto-generated caption is activated. You can see videos or reels with captions on the video. Let's see. I will show you videos that has captions like conversation videos or something like that.
I'm okay. I'm fine. Kinchana.
I'm gonna sh-
View Wardah Glassing Liquid Lip.
Let's see. Oh, we have to refresh the page first. If the caption is did not appear, you can refresh the page.
View Wardah. I'm okay. I'm fine.
I will reopen the app. You can see the videos. I will show you some videos. Okay, let's see.
Sudah sehat semangat goes ya. Amin. Lebih Anda aktif geraknya.
I will show you. Instagram auto-generated captions are turned off by default. Now you can see, here's the caption. I'll show you. Here's the caption, you can see. So not all the videos has the caption because maybe the sound, if the sound is not compatible or not proper, the caption won't be appear. So that is how to enable auto-generated captions on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!